Oh my goodness. AT&T, ticker symbol T, dropped 20% today. What is going on with this stock? We will get into that in this video. Please give a like and comment what stock you would like me to talk about next, and we will talk about why AT&T stock is plummeting so hard today, and is it a buy? We'll get into that right now. So basically, the share price currently is at $19.27, which is way below 52-week lows. You can see this huge red candle right here. It got as low as $18.86. So what is going on? And if you are a long-term holder and you're a little bit confused about this, what's going on? And I will ease your concerns or your worries a little bit, because I will tell you what the actual news is. And this is all due to, as you may have guessed, their highly anticipated spinoff, which happened on Friday. So we will talk about the adjustments right now. So the price has been adjusted to reflect the closing on Friday of the merger of AT&T's Warner Media business with Discovery. Now that's going to be ticker symbol WBD. Holders of ticker symbol T received roughly a 0.24 share of Warner Brothers Discovery, WBD, as the merged media company will be known for each AT&T share in the spinoff. So as individual investors, if you have one share, you will also receive about 0.24 shares of WBD. Now, this is not just happening spontaneously or happening at the same time. This is happening the next day. So if you have not received shares of WBD, don't worry about that. Nobody else has. You will probably receive them within the next day or the next few days. So don't worry about that. The company is just spinning everything off and getting the logistics worked out. So the value of WBD, which stood at roughly $5.90 per AT&T share based on Discovery's closing price of $24.43 on Friday, was deducted from the closing price of AT&T stock, which means that that is what caused the 20% drop. So basically what happened was they just subtracted the $5.90 to get the $18.86 from AT&T right now, which means that AT&T, you will get that $18.86 for one share, plus you will get the Warner Brothers Discovery share at $5.90 to make the total the exact same as you would have had in Friday's closing. AT&T shares were trading at $18.69 in pre-market trading today, but that's actually up 2% from the adjusted closing on Friday. AT&T ended Friday at $24.14 before the adjustment for the spinoff. In pre-market trading, WBD was trading up slightly at $24.60. So AT&T's new dividend yield, which is, you know, if you are a dividend investor, this is one of the best stocks to put your money into for dividends. We know back in 2021, they talked about a dividend cut and this spinoff, and now the yield is going to be 5.9%. based on its new annual payout of $1.11. AT&T management has been eager for the deal to close to focus on the company's core telecom operations. So basically what they're doing is just focusing on their core phone company, what they do best. So they're hoping to get rid of this Warner Brothers Discovery, give those to shareholders, and of course they have a lot of debt, so be careful about that, but they're giving off some of that debt during this spinoff, so it will be a lot less debt. They'll be focusing more on their telecommunications, plus they're going to be giving a 5.9% dividend yield. Now, for AT&T shareholders, there was a press release on Friday that said that shareholders had received 1.7 billion shares of WBD, representing 71% of WBD shares on a fully diluted basis. Discovery's existing shareholders own the remainder of the new company. So there already were shareholders, and now the AT&T shareholders will also get a piece of that WBD pie. In addition to their new shares of WBD common stock, AT&T shareholders continue to hold the same number of shares of AT&T common stock they held immediately prior to close. So basically what it's saying is nothing happened. So basically there was only a 20% drop just because that is the WBD equivalent. So basically nothing happened with the share price. It's just up 2% actually, despite this looking like it went down 20%. So I would say, is it a buy right now? I would definitely wait until the spinoff is completed. I believe AT&T is a great long-term play for dividend holders, and I believe WBD will have some enticing features with it as well. I think that AT&T has a nice dividend of 5.9% and could be good in any dividend portfolio. I'm still a little wary about the debt, but I think since they're focusing more on their core business, I think they have a great chance at growth. And I think after the spinoff, it's a great opportunity to get into a company that is fully focused and laser focused on one thing. So I hope this comforts a little bit of your questions and curiosity about what is going on with this stock, and that, it's really a big goose egg and nothing's really happening. So hopefully you found this a bit helpful, but you will get your shares eventually. Just be calm, have patience, and your patience will be rewarded in terms of dividends and extra shares into a new and great company. All right, this is Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. I hope that cleared everything up. Please leave a comment below letting me know what stock you would like me to discuss next. I hope you have a wonderful day. Let's all make sure that our parents get yachts by 2025. All right, and follow me at skimgame.com under Supergirl Investor to see all of my trades in real time, and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter for all things finance. You get a stock watch list every week. Bye.